Guys, we're just some of the students that make up a group called Engineering Brightness here at Riverview High School in New Brunswick.
We recognize that students just like us in places like Sierra Leone and Guatemala suffer from light poverty, so they're unable to do their homework at night.
So we started making lights and sending them off to them as a part of our curriculum, but helping us learn, but also helping them learn.
There's been one solution since the world began. Don't just sit and take it, stick it to the man. Rant and rave and scream and shout, get all of your aggression out. If they try to stop you, let them know exactly where they all can go. And do it just as loudly as you can. Stick it to the man.
Yay! We're at the Maker Faire right now. Sky and Lauren are back there. Kaylee's here, Regan's here, Brayden's here, and Miss Fogarty. We're going to set up, then go do some sightseeing. We're in Grand Central Station having some lunch. Regan, what'd you get?
A chicken wrap.
I got a chicken pita and salad. And Kaylee, what are you thinking about getting?
I'll be strumming my axe in a basement dive with my totally kick-ass band. When an army of A&R men will arrive with pens and contracts in hand, and they'll whisk me away in a big black car, and the record execs and the girls from PR, they'll know from the start what a major league star I will be. Just wait and see. When I climb to the top of Mountain Rock, and I'm there staring down from the heights, with the crowd at my feet in a 7-inch bulge in my lizard skin spandex tights, I'll dive off the edge straight into a crowd that's screaming my name out loud, and the gates will unlock at the top of Mountain Rock. I'll be blowing out amps, playing stadium shows.
Yeah, we're doing great. I'm super excited. Okay, bye.
Of the first 1,000 rows and leave while they beg for more. Then I'll pop the champagne.
I said we had a really good conversation with Justin about things he's done since high school and how high school was for him, and how it's different and how it's the same.
Cool.
When I climb to the top of Mountain Rock, and I'm perched at the uppermost peak, with a legion of groupies all duking it out for my chiseled right God physique, and I'll scatter hit singles.
First hour of the Maker Faire, and we're hanging out in our engineering brightness shirts, and we're gonna go ask people what they do and tell them what we do, and it's gonna be great.
The doubters and the haters and the hipsters, let them laugh. Soon they'll all be begging for my roadie's autograph. I know my time is coming, well hopefully it's coming. I'm pretty sure it's coming any day. Once they hear me play, then the dreams that I had since the day I turned 10 will be finally coming true. And no one will call me a loser again, or tell me what I can't do. So I'll hold my head high and keep strumming those strings, and grab any chance that my destiny brings. I'll rise and I'll rise and I'll rise on the wings of my song, up where I belong. And I'll climb to the top of Mountain Rock and be part of that heavenly scene, with Odin and Zeus on the bass. top of Mount Rock. At the top of Mount Rock. At the top of Mount Rock.
I've got so much to say. If only you would listen. I've tried every which way, and still you never listen. Can't you see I'm hurting? I couldn't be more clear, but I promise one day I'll make you hear.
You know I try to explain. Not the kid you want me to be.